Hello everyone, it's Kathy Champion and it's that time again, Paper Pumpkin. I was so excited when I got this in my mailbox yesterday, and it's time to open it up and see what's inside. Now of course you know I've already opened it because I had to check it out. So I am going to do my best to keep this where you can see exactly what I'm seeing. Maybe I'll do it like this. That way I can open the box fully. Here is our pretty little stamp set, and let me lay this on a piece of white paper, like that. Beautiful little bear. We have some leaves over here. Get well soon. You are on my mind. Hooray. And a little bouquet of flowers. So cute. So cute. Okay. And now we're going to peel back our little wrapper, and we have our little paper. This is our instructions on how to make the cards that they suggest, which is pictured right here. And these are really cute. This is a card kit this month. And some other little things back here. We get a rich raspberry ink spot, beautiful color, and we have envelopes. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, a dozen envelopes, which means we have probably 12. Let me turn this around. I'm not handling it too good that way. Tell you what, let's just take this out and move the box a little away. And here are our card bases. There's a little promo in here talking about the Artistry Bloom collection, and it gives you the information on this particular suite in case someone's interested in ordering it. And then the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, and talking about this. And the mini is also available starting January the 5th. And then look at these beautiful card bases. Oh, and they've got gold accent on them. Aren't they beautiful? I love, love, love these card bases. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. 4 like this, and they all have that gold embellishment on them. And then 4 like this. 12 cards. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Look at these. Aren't they pretty? So one of those. There might be more back here. Oh, look at these. Oh, so cute. I love the little critters. And you get 4 sheets of those. And then we got some little things for our sentiments. Some little accent pieces to use on our card. Those are gorgeous. And some more little accent pieces. Well, this kit's going to be so much fun. And look at this large sheet of Stampin' Dimensionals. This kit is awesome, and I cannot wait to try it. So this is just going to be the intro, and I'm going to work on some of the items and go ahead and get that recorded, and then I will come back and show you all the beautiful things that we can do with this spectacular little kit. And look at these envelopes. They have a place for you to write the address. I think that's wonderful. So I'm excited. I can't wait. It's always so exciting to get this in the mail. So if you have not subscribed to Paper Pumpkin, this would be the perfect time to do it, because you will start out, if you subscribe before the 10th of January, you will receive the January kit. So you have between now and the 10th to sign up and start the new year out with Paper Pumpkin. It's always so much fun. And in your very first kit, you will receive a stamp block Pumpkin stamp blocks are like this. It is a clear acrylic block, and it works for most of your images. Now, they're not as thick as the standard stamp blocks that Stampin' Up! Has. Here's one that is, and you can see the difference in the thickness. But this is a good little, if you're just starting out, Paper Pumpkin is the way to go. So think about subscribing. I'll put the link below where you can go and sign up for Paper Pumpkin. If you want to save money, you can subscribe for 3 months at a time and pay. You'll get a prepaid code that will allow you to go in and put that in. And if you sign up for 6 months, it's even cheaper. And if you decide to sign up for the year, it's even cheaper than that. But you do have to pay up front. So if you're on a budget and you can only afford a certain amount each month, the monthly kit is the way to go. So it's totally customizable. You can sign up and you can stop. You can put a pause on your kit for a few months, a couple of months, however you see fit to do it. But it's a great way to collect some stamp sets and get some ink spots and get some information on card making and even instructions, and you'll be surprised how creative this will help you be. So thank you so much for tuning in for my Paper Pumpkin December unboxing. I love you guys so much. I pray that you have a very healthy and happy day. Merry Christmas, and until I see you again, may God bless and keep you. And remember to always give our God the praise that He so richly deserves. So let everything that you say and do bring honor and praise to His name. And until we craft again, bye-bye.